Hey, and welcome to the channel. I'm Daniel, and here we explore practical gardening, DIY projects, and sustainable living. I'm here to meet you where you are and show you how to repurpose old items and junk from your garage or home to build creative infrastructure for growing food as simply and as easily as possible. And as a solar punk enthusiast, I don't believe anything is waste. Every piece has the potential to become something new, innovative, and productive. Because here, we don't just think outside the box, we build beyond the box. Welcome to Beyond the Box Gardens.
I think I'm gonna do emitters. Boy, what you doing? What you doing? Why is your stripe up? Relax. Got my pump. Yeah, I'll probably need to tighten it up. I really wrapped this shit up in here for the winter. This water's probably tepid, but I don't think it's gonna be bad. It's been sealed the whole time. Either way, we're using it because water is a non-renewable resource, and in due time you will know that if we waste that water, then we're gonna be slaughtered, because the water can evaporate from the earth, just like it did on Mars. Water is a non-renewable resource, and I promise you in time you'll see, if you waste that water, I promise you won't believe how much we really need. I'm gonna put that in Suno.
Swing and a miss.
It's just as tedious of a job as any other. I don't know if these are gonna even survive, but I may as well try. I put them out here. Got a hole here that I didn't see. That one's blown. Okay. This doesn't actually even need to be this long anymore. Refill my hydroponics, that's about it. And that being said, I need to add nutrients to my hydroponics today, because I got tons of sprouts. Ultimately, when you're doing these, you want to wait until they get their first mature leaf and first real leaf. You can see they're developing them. Yep. Unfortunately, there's Boston. It didn't, not a lot. You got one in there, one here. These didn't germinate very well. All the other ones did. So yeah, we're gonna start dosing some nutrients into this to get these guys popping. All right. I need you to get from underneath the wheelbarrow. This isn't a place to hide. It's moving. Move. It's moving. Again. Can you come up here, please? Come right here. Come right here. Good boy. Now stay right there. Have a seat. Sit down. Look out, Copper. No, not over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Good boy. Here. This is going in, so. Oh, it smells really bad. Whoa, God. Yeah. Yeah. All my old beets in there. All types of These worms are gonna love it. These worms are gonna love it. And it's important to kind of chop this stuff up so that it has more surface area of which the worms can access, the fungus, the bacteria can access. But this is basically second to the last place that I have to do this. And then later on in the future, we'll do the same thing, a little more shallow in other places where the other plants are growing. So we can continue to feed our soil. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be doing butternut squash, maybe cucumber on this line, maybe both. Now, we bury it. Bury. It's important to get it deep enough. If you don't get it deep enough, you could have critters. And we're also not wasting any of the production in our garden. I have tons of worms under here and over there. What they're gonna do, they're gonna start migrating because there's a lot more food over here than there is where they are. They're gonna start migrating. They're gonna start breaking this stuff down. And something, I don't know if you know this, but most of soil life is aquatic. Worms are mostly made of water. They use basically a hydraulic system inside their body to pump water, expanding and contracting. And then of course you have the other microfauna, the bacteria, fungi, the nematodes, the tardigrades, the roundworms, all that stuff is aquatic. That means it swims through the soil. It doesn't climb. So you have to make sure that you're providing water so it doesn't dry out and die. We're gonna return here in about 2 weeks and I'll show you what it looks like. It's already soaking down. So that's done. I was gonna do beans today, but I don't know. It's hot, I'm sweaty, and I'm tired. So I think I might just put the soil down today and do the beans tomorrow. It's not even sunny, and not like it won't matter. Out over here, because this is where our beans are gonna go. And then on this side, I'm definitely gonna be doing butternut squash, cucumber over here to climb, because that's actually where my other in-ground compost trench is. I'm gonna show you that here in a second. Look at that, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful bed. But this, I did the same thing over here as I did over there. And this is what it looks like now. Look, I'm dig down just a little bit. Hopefully it's not tilted down too much. Look at that soil, that looks beautiful. Look at those aggregates. Wow. We'll check up this direction. Oh, there's a worm right here. There's more worm, look at that. These are all baby worms. That's how you know we're doing good, because that means they're breeding. Worm, look at that. Look at that. Look at all those aggregates. That's gorgeous. All right, we're not gonna go down too far here. We got worms though. So I was talking about, look at this aggregates. Golly, that's beautiful. Yep. Ah! If I keep cutting myself, oh, this is rusty. Oh no. Oh. All right, well, I'll see you guys at the hospital later. I'm back and I'm doing it anyway. So I want to get these in today. I'm back and I'm doing it. All right, we got some betadine on them at least, so. Okay, I'm going to probably plant all of these pole beans. Don't cut yourself again, Daniel. You said you were gonna wear gloves, but you don't have gloves on. Don't cut yourself again. I like just using my hands because I can feel more, you know, I can feel what I'm doing. And then the gloves, sometimes they feel so tight, they tire my hands out. So I end up not wearing them because my hands get tired. We're gonna do some chaos gardening. Got our bush, blue lake, we're gonna do all under here. Yes, these plants are gonna get big, but guess what? All of these aren't gonna germinate. They never do. That's what we overplant, we overseed to make sure that we get something. And guess what? If too many germinate, well, what are we gonna do? We're gonna thin them out. Simple as that. This is all we're doing. This is the last of it. I'm gonna end this recording here. Thanks for joining Beyond the Box Gardens. This has been Daniel. Thanks for watching. Later.